Right bafethu nginibingelele nginamukele kuyona i-channel uma umusha ngicela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe. Okay, lana ke isinomamlambo popularly known from Uzalo as actress. Okay, igama lakhe langempela uGumede, who has been trending recently due to her significant weight loss transformation. So the actress known for her roles as umamlambo on Uzalo underwent laphana ke into ebizwa ngokuthi i-gastric sleeve surgery to help control her food portions and improve her health, according to abantu ke abaziyo ngayo lento ke. So she has been open about her journey, sharing her experiences and the positive impact it has had on her life. So her recent photos on social media have sparked a lot of attention and mixed reactions from fans wakhe. So some have praised her for dedication and transformation, while others have expressed concern about about her recent photos, or yeah, ngisho kanjalo bafethu. I don't know ukuthi ke izinto abazenzayo labantu ke abangosaziwayo ngempela basuke bengabanga advised before bethatheke lezo zinqumo lezo, because there is a very like a healthy way to do indaba ke yokwehla emzimbeni and to maintain futhi ke umzimba ngendlela nje right ejwayelekile, not to go and perform ama surgery yonke leyo nto leyo, because lezo zinto zigcina zitemperature with your health. Yabona njengamanje ngathi uyagula, ngathi akaphathekile kahle nje kuba umbona nje, but then ke comparing to ngempela ke from umzimba wakhe nokufuna nje izinto ke ezisheshayo esikhathini esiningi, because mhlawumbe ukubone kuumqanzi ukuthi ke angene emgwaqeni atraine egym enze yonke lento, ukubone mhlawumbe kuumqanzi lokho, and then wabona ukuthi ke into elula ukuthi enze ngalendlela le enza ngayo. We may never know ukuthi ke mhlawumbe ngisho no lokho ngale khona lo sisi lo wayebizwa ngoQueen generation. We may never know ngempela ukuthi ke mhlawumbe nabo babe performance zona lezi zinto lezi, yabo. But then ke bafethu asikho lapho esingayela nangu uGumede. Okay, ithini imizwa yakho, uzizwa kanjani if usumbona ke kanje? Do you feel like kwayena ujabule? What's your take on this information? If ever bafethu ke you have anything to say, do comment on this section ngezansi. Ungakhohlwa ke ukusubscribe uphinde like le video.